In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to expand the taskbar icons on the Windows 11. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and of course if you have the Windows 11 already, this will be great, but if you don't, you'll have to go and download it. Of course, if you have a Windows 10, you must have been already seen like a pop-ups of Windows 11, and you can actually install the Windows 11 while you're using your PC. The Windows 11 will be installed in the background and you will not feel any difference, and you can use your PC normally. And of course, once the download finished, you will actually ask you to restart your PC so you can actually use the Windows 11 then. So once you have it, of course, and you want to expand your taskbar icons, so on the Windows 11 device, of course, you can just click at the start button and select add settings. Of course, you can even select the Windows key on your keyboard and type settings and click add settings, or click at the enter button on your keyboard. And once you are here, you'd like to click add personalizations, which is right here, or if you didn't find it, you can like type it here if you want. Personalizations. Anyway, I didn't know how to write this. Personalizations, like that. And of course, you can select whatever you want from here. For us, we would like to click here, and once you are here, you would like to go to this taskbar option, and now you can actually enable the search, the task view, the widgets, the chats, and of course here you have some system tray icons. Let's just hide those. Of course, you have other system tray icons if you want to add something, and even you have the taskbar behaviors, which is the most important here. Of course, you can like automatically hide the taskbar if you want. As you can see, it's hidden now. You can show the badge on taskbar apps, and of course you have a lot of other options here. You have even this option of placing the taskbar on the center or even the left, and of course do whatever you want with those and you will be actually good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching it. Goodbye.